Hey, what's up, guys? Another day, another dollar, another trade. Like we mentioned previously, you could see here on the chart, 4 hour close above 62.24 USD. So that led to a test of the EQ. We're rejected on the 4 hour around 63.80. So we're not going to play a guessing game here. We're not giving calls out in our free or premium channel, which you could join just below. You could join the free channel just below, and also leave a link to the interactive chart so you can get access to that as well, in view only mode. But we're not playing this guessing game here, and we're not giving calls, because it could be bearish or bullish. So we're going to look at some of the surrounding factors and look at the different scenarios, and that's our job. We're not. It's not a game to win and lose. We're going to take small, consistent wins to grow your portfolio much further than a few wins and multiple losses. So here's the interactive chart. You guys could take a look for yourselves. Again, I'll leave the link just below for this, and also for the free Telegram group where you can get access to our trading signals. So make sure stay tuned. We're going to be doing a zero point 0.5 Bitcoin to 1 Bitcoin challenge in the next couple weeks, and if you want to get access to that, follow the steps just below this video, and I'll see you on the inside.